This is an overview of the AI-based cyber risk assessment solution from Opt Cybersecurity Solutions. Uh, AI-based cyber risk assessment is the foundation for cyber risk measurement in cyber insurance. The approach to quantifying cyber risk uh, needs to cover all the three pillars: people, process, technology. The How our solution is better than available alternatives is that most of the other solutions focus on the technology side. We also do that, but we have a very strong focus on the process side and the people side also. The second difference is most solutions are focused only on cyber, uh, but in all the advanced markets, cyber insurance is driven in a big way by privacy. And with India adopting the new DPDP Act, uh, we need a combined approach to cyber and privacy in risk measurement. And for this purpose, the NIST SP 853 standard covers cyber and privacy in a pretty detailed rules-oriented way. And we have adopted NIST SP 853 as the bedrock of our approach. The the next difference between other solutions and ours is that we cover the liability side of cyber risk very comprehensively, which is ignored by others. So in this way, we are able to bring about a better measurement of cyber risk for cyber insurance underwriting. The way our solution works is the process begins with a B2B customer. It could be an enterprise or a SME customer, and our solution is designed for multiple markets. We have studied the cyber insurance proposal forms across the world, and we have abstracted and taken all the data elements into a superset. So based on the insurance company and their specific inputs, there will be a subset of what is entered into our portal, and it will be given to the insurance company in a customized way. So the process begins with the B2B customer uh, entering all the information that the cyber insurance requires on all aspects of the cyber infrastructure and their setup. So it commences with a profile of the organization, its revenue, its geographical breakup, the employees. So it gets on the organization and the financial profile of the organization. That's the first step. Next, insurance companies require granular information on the IT infrastructure. So the servers, the network devices, IP addresses, those information have to be entered. And similarly for the websites and the domains that are external facing, what is the criticality of the IT infrastructure with regard to the business, the exposure of the company to personal data, uh, and the third party vendor risks. So these are captured in the second stage. So next we move to the controls and the regulatory frameworks that are applicable and those are implemented in the organization. So the data is collected on what are the compliance frameworks that are relevant and are implemented. What is the maturity level? Then what is the compliance with respect to PCI DSS? Uh, what are the kind of IT controls that have been implemented? And what is the risk management measures with regard to multimedia and privacy? These inputs are collected at the third stage. The last part of the data collection is the design of the cyber insurance policy that is required. in terms of the coverage, the deductibles, and also data is collected on the previous policy coverage in the previous years, and whether there has been any past insurance claims made, whether there have been any cyber attacks and data breaches involved, or did the organization face any regulatory action from law enforcement or sectoral regulators. So all these inputs are collected, and the proposal form is a legal document. So it has to be entered with due diligence and signed off by a responsible person, mostly the CTO or the CISO. And with this, the complete data from the customer is captured. So this is the first part of our solution. In the second stage of our solution, we do a technical data collection and assessment on various dimensions. First is on the data risks involved. Okay, so the, the kind of sensitive, non-sensitive files that are stored, these are captured and analyzed. Uh, Next is the device related risks. So we collect data on the devices that are available. Next, we do a technical assessment of the applications, the web applications, the portals, the local processes. These are covered under the application. Under the screen, we do the technical assessment and analysis of the device related risks. Uh, we collect from the organization the various technical regulatory risks that they're covered in global frameworks, including GDPR, Canadian PIPEDA, and other HIPAA compliance. It covers all the regulatory compliances globally. These compliance profiles are used to quantify the financial risks on the liability side. Next, we collect information on the regulatory, financial, taxation related policies that apply to the organization. So using the data collected in the insurance application form and the technical assessment data collected in the previous slides in the portal, our AI-based solution um, processes all the information and uh, comes up with a comprehensive risk assessment, which is presented in this form. So it also gives the suggestions on the remediations that would be required. So the CISO will be in a good position to arrive at a cost benefit analysis of the risks that are involved and evaluate it with the recommended mitigation measures. And keeping in mind the commercials or the economics involved, they can decide which risk to mitigate or which one to to take it in their stride, or which is the risk that they should transfer it through cyber insurance. So these are represented in this dashboard. So our solution provides an excellent platform to the CISO for continuous compliance and continuous monitoring of the cyber risk that the organization carries, and how to manage the cyber risk optimally. So this is an overview of our solution. We'll be happy to get in touch with you and provide you do a proof of concept in your organization. Uh, Please get in touch with us. We are Op Cyber Security Solutions. We are a proud member of the C3I Hub under the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Startup Incubation and Innovation Center. So contact me at I'm Arjun Bhaskaran, the CEO of Cyber, and my mail ID is arjun.bhaskaran at finprotechnologies.in, and my mobile number is 98457 India. Thank you. Looking forward to work with you.